leaves the starting line. Tara in fourth place in Street Mod. All right, that's one cone on Ian in a 41.026. 41.026 plus one cone. James Stafford just left the starting line. This is Tara into the finish. Tara with her best run of the day, and it jumps her to third place, 38.441. 38.441 for Tara in third place in Street Mod. Part of the course, here he comes to the finish with a 46.575 for his best run of the day. 46.575 for Fred Bagley. On course, Tara Romberger leaves the starting line. Tara moved up to third place in Street Mod where she has a 38.441. Ian Lupo, 40.863, 40.863. And Ian, that is your best run of the day. Tara Romberger continues to improve. She's down to a 38.441. This would be very nice if she can drop it to a 37. That would be so... Oh, but she coned it. 38.218. That would have been her best run, but a cone. 38.218. Cone in that final slalom. We're all rooting for a 37.